Here at the end of 2013, entering a new year, I think it is more important than ever to embrace paradox in order to be successful in our personal lives and in our business lives as leaders. You know, there's a great expression in Latin, goes back many years, festina lente. Festina lente. It literally means make haste slowly. Make haste slowly. Now here's the thing. Every paradox is not a great truth. But in order to be a great truth, it must be a paradox. There was a story told about an innocent snail who was robbed by two turtles. The investigating fox asked the snail, "What happened?" To which the snail said, "I don't know. It all happened so fast." You see, I don't think that we can slow down a bit in 2014, but I'm certain that we can't speed up either. We have got to have an intention to balance a sense of urgency and a sense of diligence and quality at the same time. I leave you with these words by William Blake, which I think really summarizes what we're talking about here with paradox. He said it like this: to see a world in a grain of sand, to see a world in a grain of sand, and a heaven in a wild flower. Hold infinity in the palm of your hand, and eternity in an hour. So, for 2014, festina lente, make haste slowly. Thank you for listening. Until next time, take good care.